and welcome everyone to the Silicon Sandbox RTL Design and Verification Workshop for 5 days. For a quick introduction, the Silicon Sandbox is a dedicated VLSI training institute which is focused in front-end semiconductor domains like design verification and RTL design. So our goal is to bridge the gap between academic learning and industry expectations. I'm happy to announce that we have successfully trained over 100 plus students in less than a year. And that's something first time, like no one has ever done that. And what we do aside giving courses is we also collaborate with VLSI startups and companies that have job requirements, and we provide the profiles of our candidates to them. We also have community of 25,000 plus professionals where we post job postings and discuss on the semiconductor market. And if you guys want to know more regarding us or our courses, we are also launching many courses now. So if you want to know regarding those, you can always check our website and join our community. We'll be sharing all the links in the chat section later on. And coming to today's RTL design and verification workshop, it's a 5-day free workshop that we are training you guys in GVIM Editor and its interface today. We'll be working with installation and working with commands and how to actually get used to the interface. And tomorrow we'll be learning introduction to Verilog. So that is the language that is mostly used in the VLSI industry. And day 3 will be looking at Verilog project implementation, how to work on projects and how to try them, how to get used to the logic and everything. And on day 4, you'll have SystemVerilog, that is another language that is used in the VLSI industry. And on day 5, we'll give introduction to UVM, that is a design verification methodology. And coming to our trainer, we have Vasanta ma'am, who's been with us for a long time. She's also a part of our RTL design verification course, and she's training students for past 4 years for her love of VLSI. She's helping many students on their path. So I think I'll be giving the presentation to her. She'll start with the workshop now. And if you have any doubts in the middle or later, you can just contact us or put a chat in the chat section. Thank you all.
So, hello guys, we will start the session now today. So, let me share the screen first. Is it clear to everyone? Voice is clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, audible.
Yeah. So today's agenda, we'll be going to learn the GVM text editor. So first, I'm just giving one command here to set the numbers to my text editor. For that, I have to go to the it is construct. Yeah. So SENU. I set the numbers to my GVM text editor. So today's agenda is working on 13, 10, 25, working on GVIM text editor commands. So these are the commands we need to implement whenever we are implementing the coding. So this will be helping you to more friendly to the user, whoever implementing this implementation of the code. No, so this is like a I think everybody aware of the text editors like notepads and all. Notepad is not that much friendly to the users, right? We can't copy, and every time we have to use the mouse only. But here we can use the commands to implement more explore on this editor. So now we will see the commands. We will develop the codes by using GVIM text editor throughout our course. Okay, so now GVIM modes. There are 3 modes are there. One is the text mode, command mode, and the visual block. Visual block. These are the 3 modes we have to use. So any command, every command should work in escape mode only. Everybody is have a escape button, right, on the keyboard. Escape mode only. So now we will see some commands here. Today I want to open any file. Whenever you are implementing any RTL codes or here, whenever you are working on the Verilog. So Verilog text and extension is the Verilog. To implement a Verilog code, .v file you have to open. So I want to open a file now. To open a file, I just have to go to the command mode. Command mode means here you have to press the escape button. First get into the command mode by pressing the escape button. Okay. You just have to press the escape mode, shift colon, then shift plus colon. This is the colon you have to press. Then you have to write it. So to open a file, I want to open one file on the to implement any code like a half adder, full adder, any decoders you're implementing, any file you want to open, you just have. Hello. SPL.
Can you please maximize the screen?
Maximize the screen. Okay. Is it visible now?
Yes, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It is visible.
Yeah. So, but I want to see your screen as well, along with my screen. So if anybody is starting, I can't able to see, right? That is the reason I can just expand the screen, but I can't maximize. Okay. I can expand it because I want to see the chat box as well. Is it enough now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So open the file. I want to open a file on the .v file. If you want to open any SystemVerilog file, you just have to give the .v convention for Verilog. So SystemVerilog file or UVM. Anything if you want to implement. Anyway, UVM is not a language, it is a methodology. So you just have to use the .sv file only. So dot convention you have to write and put the sv. Extension is the V for the Verilog, SystemVerilog, and UVM you are using the .sv file. Okay. So now to open a file, you just have to go to the escape mode. All the time, every command will work in the escape mode only. You just have to press escape button, then shift colon, shift plus colon, then file name. File name. Okay. So first, let us experiment this one. I want to open. Can you please be Mallikarjuna? Mallikarjuna. So I want to open a file now. Shift colon file name. File name dot convention. If I want to implement the code in the Verilog, you just have to press the dot v. So now I want to open a file SPL. So this is the split convention. So I need to tell that one also. Splitting the screen. So there are two types: horizontal split, and vertical split. So there are two types of splitting. I want to split the screen, either horizontal or the vertical. So to split the screen horizontally, normally you have to go to the escape mode, shift colon, SPL. SPL will gives you the default font. It is the default splitting is the horizontal. So if you want to split vertically, you just have to write the shift colon again. Shift colon VSPL. VSPL you have to write it. Now let us experiment that one. SPL HA.V. This is the file name, half adder. I'm giving HA.V. So HA.V, when I pressed, my screen got split horizontally, right? This is horizontal splitting. So I want to give a vertical split, VSPL TB.V. So TB.V. There is one more splitting here. This is TB.V. Vertically we splitted the screen, right? The tab I want to split like this, or else this one. Whichever you want to have it, just go into that command like SPL or VSPL. And then next command we will see. So we have learned the file, how to open a file and a close file.
Hi, ma'am. Sorry to interrupt.
Yeah, Mani.
So, yes. This application, when we design a code, we would use Vivado kind of applications. So
any code if you are implementing, like your design, whether it is a design or test bench, everything will be getting to the end of the day. You are writing code only, right?
Yes, in that tool only we will create the source code. No, if we consider Vivado means we will create a source file in there and we'll write code there itself. Why we additionally required, maybe this tool is required for coding, simulation, synthesis, all the things, or only for writing codes?
Only for writing code. Why? Because no, this is like user friendly. There are multiple commands. If you see here in the, whenever you are learning the course, it may be the 110 numbers, 20, 50 lines of code only. When you go to the industry, it may not be like that, right? You may write 1,000 lines of code. And if you want to see, for example, this is for example, you can imagine this is the 1,000 lines of code. You want to see the first line of your line, right? In this tab, you want to go to the first line. How you will go? First, I just have to go to escape mode. Again, I'm just pressing the GG. So I came to the first line. If it is a 2,000 lines of code, if you want to go to the 2,000 line, so end of the line, how can you go? So press capital G. So I came to the 22nd line because I have only 22 lines here. That's the reason end of the line I came. So
Okay.
there are multiple commands are there. Those are user friendly. We can develop the code easily. So whenever you go to the industry, it may not be the 20 lines of code, 100 lines of code, right? More than that. So it is very
Okay.
helpful.
Okay.
Comparatively, other text editors. You can also develop your code in the what is that Notepad also. Notepad,
Oh.
you have to all the time you have to use the mouse only, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is the reason. So wherever the split we have done HA.V, here you have to implement the design code. For example, if you want to design the code here, like a module. So you have to develop the code here. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it, ma'am. Thanks.
So I want to close this file. I just have opened multiple files. I don't want to see multiple tabs in my screen, right? So at the time I want to close some files by using this command. Close file, Q, :Q. Okay. Again and again, I don't want to write command like a shift plus. Hello. So Q, you have to press it. See here, tb.v, I just wanted to close it. Put the cursor whichever the tab you want to close it. I'm just closing the tab. So it got closed. Again, if you want to open the same file, vspl tb.v, if it is file name is already available, it will again open. So I want to close it again, close. Okay. See, wherever you see the plus symbol here, it doesn't mean, it means like you haven't saved it, which means you are doing again some work in that tab. So you just have to save it again. So close the file. To go to the first line. To go to first line, I was telling you shift command mode again. In any command, you just have to use command mode again and again. I won't repeat that one. So you just have to press GG. Okay. So come to last line. Capital G. So I want to save the file. I want to save the file. So here we can see plus symbol. I was telling you that still editing is doing here. So that is the reason you have to save all these files. Otherwise it will be lost, right? We have to save every file. So shift : again, shift WA. WA will save all the files at a time. How many tabs you want to save at a time. So n number of files you are saving. See, it is saved. Multiple files, WA. Multiple files. If it is to save one file, W. Okay. So whenever I'm in the command mode, I just wanted to come back and writing something, right? I just wanted to come back and write something. So at that time, you have to come into the text mode, right? To come back to the text mode, press I. You just have to press I. So then you can see now I'm in the, whenever you see the thick cursor here, 28th line cursor is thick, which means that you are in the command mode. So this is the command mode. I just wanted to write in the 28th line something again. So at that time I have to press the I. So cursor will be thin now. So now I can able to write something here like this. That is a text mode. So we have seen the splitting, horizontal splitting, and save the file, open the file. Now I want to copy. Copy means yanking here. YY you have to press. See here, for example, I have a input. I just wanted to copy this one input one time. So I just pressed YY here. So pressing P. So n number of times I'm pasting here. Input, 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 input. So now I just copied and paste it. For the pasting purpose, I'm using the press P. Okay. Press P. I want to delete 31 line. Line number 31 or 32, I wanted to delete. So how do you know whether we deleted or not? I'm just writing in between output. Okay. I just kept the cursor at the 31 line. I'm just pressing 2DD. So 2 lines got deleted. Isn't that absurd or not? So I just deleted 2 lines at a time. So to delete a line, you just have to delete DD. Press DD. Okay. Multiple lines. You want to delete multiple lines. Delete multiple lines at a time. So at the time, put the n before it. N means n number of lines. I want to delete 2 lines, 2DD. I want to delete 5 lines, 5DD. Like that. NDD. Here n is the number of lines. We deleted. So next one is a visual block. Visual block. So what is visual block now? I can comment. I just wanted to comment all these number of lines at a time. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are multiple lines are there. I want to change input as the reg type and output as a. Let me copy output also multiple times. Okay. I want to change all the outputs as a wire type and I want to change all the input as a reg type here. So we'll go to the visual mode. For visual mode, you just have to use the command %s. The old name you have to write it. Old name. Whichever the name you want to change it, that name you are writing. So and whatever the new name you will be going to. New name means word here. Whatever the word you want to change it. I can write or else a word only. Old word. A new name. Anything. Okay. Global character. So here I just wanted to change output as a wire type. Here we want to write wire. And here we want to write it as a reg. I just wanted to change. Here, this is the only 10 lines of code I can type and write it, right? If it is maximum number of lines of code, you can't go everywhere and you can't change it, right? At the time, this command will work for you. So now, press %s. Old name is output. So new name is, I want to change output as a wire GC. So press enter now. Press enter, it is asking, it is showing cursor as a 36 line output is there. Do you want me to change that word or not? Whenever they're asking like a Y or N, which means that S or no. I don't want to change at the 36 line, for example. For example, I don't want to change output as a wire in the 36 line. At the time, I just have to press N. So it is not changed. Now I'm pressing Y. So it got changed, right? Now again, input also I want to change. So input is reg type, GC. Again it is showing wherever your input is has been started, 42 line number. It is asking me to, do you want me to change in this line? It is asking. So now shall I change it or not? We have to decide, and press Y, or according to your convenience, press Y. So every line got changed at a time. So I want to comment all these lines at a time, single line. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 42 to 53 lines I want to comment at a time. So that is also possible with the visual block. How can I do that one? So put your cursor at the 42 line number, escape mode again. So now Control V. How many number of lines you want to comment? You just have to select by using the down arrow. So here up to 53 line. Shift I. Whatever the do changes, whatever you want to change here, that symbol you have to write here, which means that multi-line comment or single line comment. So every line we are commenting at a time, right? So I'm just using the single line comments here. Now press escape mode. So every line got commented at a time. I commented every line in single command. So that is a visual block.
Hello,
I
ma'am.
want to select whole file at a time.
Hello.
Yeah, I
Ma'am,
want to select.
there are two questions in the chat box. Harsh Yadav asks, can we copy multiple lines at a time and execute them block by block? And Pamula Shivani says, can you remove the split so that she can see the previous statements?
So can you remove another split in screen so that we can we can see whatever the previous statement. You want to see this one? This is the previous session notes that is not related to you. And can we copy multiple lines time and execute them in the by block? Yeah, I just copied, right? I just wanted to YY to copy what we are using YY, right? I can copy multiple lines. See,
Okay. These packets.
multiple line NYY. So number of lines. Okay, number of N is the number of lines. For example, I want to copy whatever I copied here. See, this is the wire, right? A 38 line. How many lines are here? 5 lines are there. I want to copy everything at a time. So 5 YY or else 5 YY. Single line copied 5 times here. When I pressed 5 YY here, single line got copied 5 times here. I want to paste it here. Is that your question?
Yes, I think that is
Harsha Yadav.
asking.
And one more.
What if you want to copy from anywhere in between the code?
Between the code, you just have to go to the between line. M, you can press it, capital M.
Okay.
You go to the center of the in between here. So whichever the line you want to copy here, go to that line number and you just copy there. Horizontal split I copied now. So how many times? 3 times. Just go to the down line, which means that how we have to go to the last line of your tab. Capital Z, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now I wanted to paste it here.
Hello, ma'am.
Split 3 YY I copied. 3 lines I copied. Yeah.
Actually, tell me one example of Verilog code by using these
Yeah.
GVIM.
GVIM, anyway, you'll be going to implement the project, right? On the 3rd day of your workshop.
Okay. A simple code, any adder or at least a NAND gate, OR gate, simple.
VSPL tb.v. So you want to write just tell me module top here, tb. How you have to implement the test bench for the half adder. Like this you have to implement, okay? Tick include. HA.v. And one more thing, you just have to use the vimrc commands here. Whenever it is not highlighting here, the modules and keywords and everything, it has to be in the colored one. So here it is not showing. So vimrc you have to do it. SPL vimrc. So anyway, whenever you are going to work on the project, I'll be going to explain you about the vimrc and all. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So
I have a doubt.
Yeah, Abdul.
Like for top, you said GG means it will come for top for GVIM Editor. If you put capital G means it will come for down. For middle, which is command will be we can use.
Your voice is very low. Can you
Audible,
type
ma'am?
your question? Yeah, it is clear now.
Actually, what I asking means like small GG if you give means it come to top. If it
Yeah.
is capital G means it come to down. I'm
Yeah.
asking for which command use for middle in between middle we need to come in this
Go to
code.
that line, no? You just
There
press
is
press M. So it will
M,
come to the center of the page. Yeah.
oh, okay, ma'am. I tried M, but it's not coming.
Yeah,
in my,
maximum how M is taking, no? It is splitting 10 lines and it is going the center of that line only. So otherwise you can go, for example, if you want to copy, if you want to go to the 14th line, just directly shift colon 14th line, you can press it here. Whichever the line you want to go to, that line number you can give and go to that line.
Oh, okay.
And then you can change it because the M, capital M is not exactly, it is not going to the center of the code part, but it is somewhere it is going. Okay.
Yeah, got it, ma'am. Now it is working. Which number we giving, that one going for that line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is good. So for that you have to give the shift colon again. So here vimrc command. Vimrc, you just have to write the split SPL tilde dot vimrc. So it will show you the 12 commands, like how I have to take the indentation when I'm writing the code, indentation, serial number. Whenever I open the file here, there are no serial numbers, right? Line numbers are not there. I set it like SENU, right? Set the line number, set line numbers, and it sets the indentation. There are 12 commands are there that we have to Google it and paste it all the commands here. Okay, that I will whenever we are going to start your project after the introduction of your what is the first video, then we'll work on that. Okay, can you please be in mute, guys? Set number. So after taking the vimrc, whenever you gave the vimrc command here, so it will take 12 commands here. That 12 commands will gives you like this. Okay, you no need to again and again, you have no need to set the numbers, serial numbers, SENU, set number. How to set the number? Number means serial numbers. Use this command, set number. You can write or else SENU. So this command, every command should have to go into the escape mode only. So all the capital letters and the numbers will appear in pink in color. Okay.
Ravi bro, can you off your video?
Pink in color. And then pink color. Keywords of Verilog. What are the keywords of Verilog?
Module.
Yeah, will be in brown color. Yeah, modules, end module, fork join, all these whatever the keywords are there in the Verilog, all this comes in the this brown color. So commented lines will be in comments. Two types of comments, right? Single line comment. What is a single line comment? Single line comment is the double slash. Okay. Multiple line comments. Slash, star, star, slash. Okay, in between you have to write multiple numbers. Okay, multiple lines of code you have to comment at a time by using this command. Okay, and this will be in the blue in color. Comment lines. Blue color. Any other questions from your side? Any mode is not
No,
understand?
ma'am, no question.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. That
Huh.
set num like that one command you type, ma'am. Can you provide example for that?
I just gave, whenever I'm starting the session, I used here, no? Whenever I open this file, so I shown, but here already commands are available in my system, no? So
Oh,
again,
okay.
I can't set it. That is the reason what I will do is someone, other student can share the screen. We can guide her to through that one, because everything is set already before when I open.
Okay.
So whenever I started the session, I gave the serial numbers. Did you remember?
Okay.
STNU, I typed it.
Okay. Set num represents the numbers, ma'am. Like what the order we have to type for which.
Let me open new file or else.
Hello,
When
ma'am.
Okay.
taking,
Hello.
yeah.
Already J-links keyword is there. Why you are using these comments? J-links
I told
keyword
you already. If you are interested to work in this, you can go with this. That is your wish. Okay.
this is industrial experience.
I told you already, right? There are multiple lines of code you are writing. This is only to implement user friendly for the whoever working on the .v files and .sv files. Okay. Yeah. Here, when I opened another file, it is already showing the number. Somebody asked me, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Because commands are already working in my system. So somebody has to share the screen. If anybody has downloaded. Now, how to download it? Somebody has shared the link, I think, in the chat box. Go to that link. So go to the Google search. Just type GVIM text editor for Windows. It will automatically shows you one link, GVIM download. So go to that link and then download. Downloading is very easy. Download and install. Install the system. Okay. Just press next, next, next only. So any app you are downloading, you may know the process, right? It will obviously, do you want to allow this app into your system? First prompting, it will show one prompt window. It will ask you to, do you want to allow this app? You just have to click on the S on that. After clicking on the S, it will open, it will ask you which language, like English. Okay. Shall I write all the steps or it's not required?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. Teja, ready?
Madam, right now you are in session.txt file, ma'am. I wanted to move my cursor into ha.v. How can I do this, ma'am?
ha.v. The horizontal split you can do SPL or else SPL ha.v. Here we are doing no same way. SPL file name .v. You can share the screen, whoever wanted to do. That would be better. Teja.
Yes,
Are you
ma'am, it's
sharing?
working for me.
It's getting, yeah. So is it giving the WinMRC? You shared the screen, Ganesh. Yeah. Go to the escape mode. I mean, you have to press the escape button on your keyboard. Ganesh. Hello, Ganesh. Is it audible? You have to respond. Yeah. So press. No. You can share it. Ganesh, you can share. Somebody can experimental, no, so that everybody can understand. So shift escape button, you have to press it. Escape button is there, no? Top side of your left corner button. You pressed it or not? Yeah. Now SENU, S space NU. Type SENU. So when you activate your WinMRC, so no need of giving these commands again and again. I will show you that tomorrow. Sorry. Ganesh, press the escape button.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So shift colon.
Okay, ma'am. I press.
But it is not visible right here. Shift colon SE space NU. Are you typing on? Enter.
It's not.
But we can't.
Yes, ma'am. I am clicking here, but not appearing there.
Not appearing. Okay. Shift escape. I think another student else. No. Shift you press the escape button or not?
I clicked no. I press.
Shift colon. Press the shift colon.
It's not.
SE space NU. Not getting.
Not getting.
Some other student can share it. Yeah. You typed it. I'm not asking you to type it, right, Girish? Escape mode. Yeah. Escape mode, how you will go? Escape button, you have to press it. Yeah. Now whenever you see the thick kind of cursor, no, then you are in the command mode. Now type it. Shift colon SE space NU. Enter. numbers got set, right? Now you can write any module here. Module. How you have to go back to the text again? Text mode. You have to press the I. Yeah. Write the module. Okay, it's not highlighting. Okay, delete it once. I will make you to open the file first. Okay. Again, escape button. Shift : HA.V, SPL HA.V. Horizontal splitting you are doing, right? SPL space HA.V. Some file name you can give. HA whatever. Enter. Half adder, my intention was. Enter. It's got opened, right? Now try to write the module here. Go to the yeah. So write module. Save it once. How to save it? Escape mode W. No. Don't use the mouse. Save it. Shift W. Shift : W. W. You saved. Now enter. Yeah, it is saved now. So try to write something here like module. Open the braces and close the braces. How you will write the code? Module name, right? And port list you are writing. So module half adder. And module name you have to give, right? HA. Okay. So what are the input for the half adder? All of you? Inputs and outputs? Okay. He is writing. Very good. So enter end module. So Vimmercy is not working here. So I will give you the Vimmercy commands tomorrow. So vertical splitting. Just copy the first line. Ganesh, put your cursor at the first. No, not like that. Don't use the mouse. Go to the first line. Use the up and down arrow. Don't use mouse. Now go to escape mode. YY. Anchoring, right? So now P. Press P. P. Again. Yeah. So I want to delete third line or else fourth line. How to delete it? Press DD. Fourth line will go. Press DD. Yeah. So you want to delete the 2 number of lines. Put the cursor at the line number 2. 2 DD. 2 lines gone, right? So now I want to again you can paste something. So 5P. You already copied, I guess. Whatever you deleted, it is already in the copied mode only. No need to copy again. Whatever you are deleting, which means that you copied already. So yeah. So 5 numbers. No, don't use the mouse. Only commands only you have to use. 5P. 5P. Don't use 5P. Now you have to select all the lines. I just wanted to make you to experiment the visual block. So I want to comment all the lines from the 3rd line to 11th line. So Control V. Control V, you pressed it. Yeah. So down arrow. Down arrow. Up to 11th line. Shift I. So whatever the changes you want to do, it went to the first line again, right? 3rd line where you wanted to do changes, and then from the 3rd line. So now you have to give the slashes. Above 8 number you have this slash, double slash. No, don't come. Don't. There only. I think it is got changed. You came down.
Ma'am, kindly can you repeat this?
Yeah. Can I repeat again? Yeah. Third line. Go to the third line, Girish. Put your cursor at the third line.
Yes, ma'am.
So third line. Yeah. Escape button. Control V. Down
Yes, ma'am.
arrow. Down arrow. 11th line. Up to 11th line you have to select. And then Shift I. Shift I.
Okay, ma'am.
Double slashes are there, no? Write the double slash.
Like this, ma'am.
Yeah. Now press escape button again. Press escape.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Got changed all the, you commented all the 11 lines, right? Up to
ma'am.
11th line you commented at single command, right?
Okay.
Yeah. I want to change all
But ma'am, our color is not changing. It's still black.
What is color? It is not. Vimarsi command you have to use it. That I told you, right? Tomorrow I will give you the Vimarsi commands. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So one more thing. I wanted to change half adder into some other name. Whatever the file you want to change it. Half adder. Some other file name I want to change it. How can you change it? At a time I want to change it. Half adder can be changed into as a full adder. Full underscore adder you have to write it. Okay. So Shift colon.
Yes, ma'am.
Percentage S slash HA slash. Now write FULL underscore adder ADDER
Okay.
slash GC. This name, new name is the full adder. Whatever the existing name is half adder, HA. You want to change that file name as full adder now. Press enter. So it is asking half adder, it is there available in the first line. You want to change it or not? Press no. And you can press it first. Yeah. Now cursor came to the third line. So now press Y. Y. Press the Y.
Yes, ma'am.
Y. Again.
Okay. It is getting changed.
Right? Yeah.
Yes.
So now split another window. Shift colon.
It is not coming, ma'am.
No. Just go to the escape mode again.
Okay.
Okay. Shift.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
VSPL. HA underscore space. File name you have to give all the time space. HA underscore TB dot
Yes, ma'am.
V. Dot V.
Okay.
Enter. So
Yeah.
now another file vertically you split it. If you want to do design file and keep it the Testbench file at the same way, so you have to split like that. Or else if you like the horizontal splitting, you have to do like this. One more thing. And here I want to shift all my cursor in all the windows, all the tabs I want to shift. Sometimes I want to write something in the design file. I want to edit in the TB file. So at that time I can shift it. Control W, right arrow. You just
Yes.
Control W, right arrow. So whenever you press the right arrow, it came to the, Manikanda. It came to the second tab, right? You
Yes,
are
ma'am.
there in the TB.V. Now it came to the HA.V. And if you want to go down tab also, Control W, down arrow. Control W, down arrow. You came to
Yes.
the whatever the file you are there in, right? So I just wanted to close the HA.V. Manikandan, do you have any doubt? Are you sending something in the chat box? Anyone? So Mohit is asking, ma'am, actually I have no idea on the GVM text editor. Now we are teaching, no? Can you please tell me what is the application and need to where is to? So you just have to go to the Google, just type the GVM text editor.org, or else you can type it GVM text editor 9.1 version for Windows. Okay. Then you can download. Mohit, is it clear?
I love you.
Actually, I asked you a question, but where in industry where we will use it, or what is the application of this?
To implement the code only, I said. It is easy to implement, right? If we wanted to do any editing works and all, at a time we can't change it, right? Multiple lines we are changing it. Yeah. So now that is the answer. Mohit is clear now?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you are saying copy and paste command. What is about the cut command, ma'am?
Cut means delete only. If you want to delete the module, for example, put your cursor at the Girish, adder, full adder. Put the cursor at the full adder. Go Control W, up arrow. Are you there, Girish? Is he listening? Pranay is asking, repeat again. What is there in the repeat again and again? No, see, shift colon, SPL space, file name. File name, how you are giving full adder.v, half adder.v, like that only, Pranay. Girish? Hello? Guys, is it audible?
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am. It is audible.
One student.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Wait. Somebody asked me how to delete a word, right? So somebody is asking how to open a file. Girish, open another folder, another tab for new file, like decoder.v. Put your cursor at the
Yes, ma'am.
below tab. Put your cursor at the below tab. Yeah, there.
Okay.
Just escape mode, SPL, shift colon.
Okay.
Sai Pranay, you can see. Okay. Shift colon, SPL.
SPL.
Space decoder.v. .v. Enter. So horizontally, you open one file, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear, Pranay? Sai Pranay. How to move the cursor you want to see, right? Yeah, how to move the cursor. Control W, use command, Girish.
Yes, ma'am.
Control W, up arrow. Control W, right arrow. So cursor is shifting from one tab to another tab. Is it clear? Chiram?
Clear. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one guy is asking, put your cursor at the, put your cursor at full adder, third line, Girish. So you want to delete that.
Ma'am, I have one question.
You want to delete the. So go to the end of the. Hello.
Ma'am, I have question that there are now 4 files, no? 2 at the top and then below tb.v and then decoder.v.
However you want to open that, like that, whichever the style you want to go to. All the files in the horizontal, you want to split it, you can split like that. If you want to see the side by side of your code and design and the Testbench file, you can go to the vertical splitting, right? What is there in that? So put your.
So what's the difference between like the one open as ha.v and the below that file?
Decoder. No, somebody asked me to show how to open the file. That is the reason new name we gave and we opened the file. Okay.
No, ma'am, not decoder.v. We have 2 files, like one where we have written some module and the other below that ha.v. where there is nothing written.
Nothing is written means we are just experimenting, no? What is your doubt? I am not getting exactly.
Like
What
now,
we
where
have
the cursor is.
asking, see, decoder.v, how to open a file, that there you have to implement the code of the decoder, right? However, you implemented the half adder code here, same way like that. Can you please tell me, tell how you add full adder? Yeah, how, not adding, just deleting. Somebody asked me how to delete it, right? Somebody asked me if I want to delete the third line DD, you can directly press it. If I want to delete the single word, put your cursor at the end of the word. Girish?
Ma'am?
Put the cursor at the end of the word. Full adder, no? After the R, you can put it. After the R. Okay, there you want to delete. Yeah. Go to the, so okay, DW, or you are there in the command mode only. DW. Press DW. DW.
Hello, madam.
Yeah.
Write one simple code.
Tomorrow anyway we'll be going to see, no? Why are you hurried? So today is the only workshop for the GVIM text editor. After telling you that the Vim RC, anyway, third day you will be going to implement. Tomorrow anyway, it's a Verilog introduction only. There you can implement, right?
Okay.
Right, because it's almost 6 o'clock now. That is the reason. Okay. So DW, is that clear?
I pressed DW, it is not coming.
Word you have to DW.
I will click colon, ma'am.
No. Escape mode. No need of colon here. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Pressed.
DW. Okay.
It is going.
DW. It is going single word letter, not
Yes,
the word. Single letter it is going. If you want to delete the single line, DD you can press it, right? DD you can press it. Third line will go.
Yeah, ma'am.
So third line will go. So Mahesh is asking, what is that? Yeah, that is a command. I already have written in the notes, right? We are losing time. We can we keep questions to the end of the session? Yeah, that is better. How can you copy just a single word in a line? So single word may not copy, but we can delete it, Manoj. There is no command to copy the single word. But if you want to copy a whole line, and you can delete it. All the words at a time. Okay. So we need to alternate the, let's see the GVIM outputs. Yeah. Yes, Teja. That's it for today. Is there any other doubts are there? Can you provide the notes of the command? Yeah, they will provide the notes. I will submit the notes, whatever we have written in the session. So now, yeah. Teja, somebody is asking something. Yeah, thank you.